Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the top 10 best Amazon photography accessories that every photographer needs in their toolkit. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, we've got some incredible gear that could take your photography to the next level. Stick with us till the end, because each accessory on this list has something unique to offer, from capturing those perfect shots to making your workflow smoother. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single one. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest gear recommendations and tips. Plus, if any of these accessories catch your eye, you'll find all the links right down in the description. Ready to discover what could transform your photography game? Let's get into it. Number 10. Neewer 660 LED Video Light. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Neewer 660 LED Video Light. Imagine this, it's a Friday evening, and you've invited friends over for a casual photo shoot. You want to capture those perfect moments, but the lighting in your living room is just too dim. Enter the Neewer LED light. With its adjustable brightness and color temperature, you can create the ideal atmosphere for your shoot. Whether you're going for a soft, warm glow or a bright, daylight feel, this light has got your back. Plus, it's portable enough to take on location shoots, ensuring you always have professional lighting at your fingertips. Number 9. Joby Gorilla Pod 3K Kit. At number 9, we have the incredibly versatile Joby Gorilla Pod 3K Kit. Picture this, you're hiking up a scenic trail, excited to capture breathtaking views, but there's no flat surface to set your camera down for that perfect shot. This flexible tripod can wrap around trees, rocks, or any uneven surface you encounter along the way. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry on all your adventures. With the Gorilla Pod, you can get creative with angles and perspectives that would be impossible with a traditional tripod. Imagine capturing that stunning sunset from just the right spot. Number 8. Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. Coming in at number 8 is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. Imagine filming a vlog or an interview and suddenly realizing that your audio quality is terrible. You want your viewers to hear every word clearly without background noise ruining the moment. This shotgun microphone captures crisp, professional-grade audio while minimizing unwanted sounds from around you. With its built-in rechargeable battery and adjustable gain control, it's user-friendly and perfect for both beginners and pros alike. Whether you're shooting YouTube videos or documenting family events, great audio is just as important as great visuals. Number 7. Canon EF 50mm f/1.8 STM lens. At number 7 is the classic Canon EF 50mm f/1.8 STM lens. If you're looking to achieve that beautiful bokeh effect where your subject pops against a softly blurred background, this lens is a must-have. Imagine capturing stunning portraits where every detail of your subject shines while everything else fades into a dreamy blur. This lens is lightweight and affordable, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros alike. It's like having a secret weapon in your photography arsenal that can elevate your shots instantly. Number 6. Manfrotto BeFree Advanced Tripod. Sliding into number 6 is the sturdy yet portable Manfrotto BeFree Advanced Tripod. Picture this, you're on vacation in a beautiful city and want to capture stunning landscapes without shaky hands ruining your shots. This tripod is compact enough to fit in your backpack but strong enough to support your camera gear securely. With its quick-release plate and adjustable legs, setting up with a perfect shot has never been easier. It's a travel companion every photographer should have ready for any adventure. Number 5. Peak Design Slide Light Camera Strap. At number 5 is the stylish and functional Peak Design Slide Light Camera Strap. Imagine being out on a long shoot, comfort matters. This strap distributes weight evenly across your shoulder so you can carry your camera all day without discomfort. Plus, it's quick adjustable, so whether you're shooting landscapes or street photography, you can easily change its length on the fly. It looks great too, because who says practical can't be stylish? This strap will keep you comfortable while ensuring you're always ready to capture those spontaneous moments. Number 4. SanDisk Extreme Pro SD Card. At number 4 is the reliable SanDisk Extreme Pro SD card. Picture this, you're at an event capturing those once-in-a-lifetime moments when suddenly your camera tells you there's no space left. With this high-speed SD card, you can shoot high-resolution images and videos without worrying about running out of storage too soon. Its fast write speeds mean you won't miss any critical shots during fast-paced action scenes, perfect for sports or wildlife photography. Having this card in your kit gives you peace of mind so you can focus on what really matters, capturing amazing moments. Number 3. Godox Ad200 Pro Portable Flash. Taking our third spot is the powerful Godox Ad200 Pro Portable Flash. Imagine being at an outdoor wedding. As the sun sets, natural light starts fading fast. This portable flash gives you professional lighting control wherever you go, no need for bulky equipment. With multiple light modifiers available, you can create soft portraits or dramatic shadows with ease. It's lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for photographers who want flexibility without compromising quality. Number 2. Tiffen Variable ND Filter. Just missing out on first place at number 2 is the essential Tiffen Variable ND Filter. Picture yourself shooting video on a bright sunny day. Without proper filtration, your footage could end up overexposed. This filter allows you to control light entering your lens while maintaining proper exposure settings even in harsh sunlight, perfect for videographers and photographers alike. It helps achieve that cinematic look by allowing slower shutter speeds without sacrificing image quality. Number 1. DJI Ronin Stabilizer. And finally, taking our top spot at number 1 is the incredible DJI Ronin Stabilizer. Imagine capturing smooth cinematic footage while walking or running. This stabilizer makes it possible. Its ergonomic design allows for easy handling while providing professional-grade stabilization for all your shots, no more shaky videos. Whether you're filming vlogs or short films, this tool will elevate your content to new heights. Thanks for sticking around to explore the top 10 best Amazon photography accessories. Hopefully, you found some new tools to enhance your photography journey. If you're ready to add any of these must-haves to your kit, don't forget that all the links are down in the description for easy access. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more photography tips, gear reviews, and recommendations, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, tap the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we drop our next video. Let us know in the comments which accessory you're most excited to try out, or if there's a tool you'd recommend for fellow photographers. Until next time, keep capturing those moments, and we'll see you in the next video.